Hello everyone! One of the most underused functions in Schoology quiz test is embedding feedback for formative assessment. This can make the quiz test a fantastic part of instruction to give feedback to your students and improve student achievement. Let's take a look at how you create formative assessment with feedback in Schoology. Inside of a test quiz question in Schoology, click the Show Feedback button here. Type specific feedback you will help to drive instruction. Comments like good job or awesome or try again should be avoided. Another consideration is using a flipped video to refer the student back to instruction on a specific topic. Simply copy and paste the URL of the video. If using YouTube, you can choose a specific point of the video, which is very helpful. Using test quiz is not only for summative assessments. We highly recommend using them to drive instruction as formative assessments using the feedback feature. If you need any help getting started, please let us know.